Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy your ride. In your Hyundai, you can adjust the driving into a sporty mode, into a non-sporty mode, or you can actually customize it to deliver a little bit of sport and a little bit of comfort. And in this video, I'm going to make you an expert at how to control those features in your Hyundai. The place we're going to start is right here. It says drive mode, and this is not a toggle, it's just a button that you push repeatedly in order to change the different drive modes from normal to sport or my drive. Let's take a look at what it says on the screen up above. So this is the regular home screen, and then when I push the drive mode button, it goes to sport on the right, then there's my drive, and then there's normal. I'll explain what all of those are, but in order to get into the settings of this particular feature, you go over to My Drive, and then you press Settings. And this gets into the settings of driver mode. You can see it says powertrain and steering, and those are the two things that are going to be able to be changed by pressing this drive mode button repeatedly. Under normal powertrain, it selects the drive mode for optimized, comfortable, everyday driving. And then notice there's steering here as well. This selects the steering mode for optimized for a smooth steering feel. That's what the settings are in by default. And then when you go over to sport, it optimizes the drive mode for sporty driving, and that's going to optimize something called throttle mapping, so that whenever you press the accelerator and it's in sport mode, the accelerator is more sensitive, so it takes off. It feels like it takes off faster. And then here is sport steering. So when you're in sport under powertrain and sport under steering, it really does feel a lot more sporty, and the steering then is optimized, or it is tighter. It's for agile steering with a sporty feel. But then you have Smart, and Smart is automatically going to select the optimal drive model or mode based on driving characteristics. And then you have one more screen that you can go to. So let's go back to normal. Everything is under normal. And then you can press drive mode here, and you can see My Drive Mode. This sets a personalized custom drive mode based on user selections. And that's the screen that we just went into. So that's how you can customize it. So if I want a sporty powertrain but a normal steering feel, that's that combination there. Or if I want smart powertrain but a sporty stiff steering, that's there. And that's how you can customize it. I'm going to go back to normal, and then you can see drive mode change alert. This shows the details of the drive mode change and a vehicle image highlighting the area involved, and that's what we've been seeing right there. That is on. That's why you're seeing the different changes right there. So that is drive mode in the Hyundai. Thanks for watching, everybody.